Meet the all-new RIPPA R06, compact, powerful, and ready for any small job. Compact yet powerful, the R06 weighs just 747 kilograms with a maximum digging radius of 2.565 meters, a digging height of 2.236 meters, and a digging depth of 1.001 meters. Its offset boom swings up to 70 degrees, letting you work flexibly in tight corners. Powered by the reliable Kubota Z482 engine, it delivers smooth, strong, and fuel-efficient performance. Its compact design makes transport and storage effortless. Easy to operate, even for beginners. The R06 offers smooth, precise control, letting you handle every movement effortlessly. Its efficient hydraulic system ensures consistent performance, while low-maintenance design keeps costs down. Compact, responsive, and reliable. The R06 is built to maximize efficiency and minimize downtime, so every task is faster and easier. Newly developed by RIPPA, the R06 is engineered for durability and reliable performance. Every component is designed with precision, ensuring long-term efficiency and minimal downtime. Backed by RIPPA's professional service network, you can focus on your work with total peace of mind. Compact, powerful, and flexible. The R06 is your reliable partner for every small job.